Ravi this side from Learn and Grow channel. So today we will discuss about the row container and service container. We can also say base container and base container. Where it is hanged. Okay. Base container and row container. Okay. First let me explain you by practical, then we will come to the theory part. Okay. Suppose I have uh, Docker images. These two images are available with me. So one is CentOS and another is MySQL. So if you will see, if I will run, I need to create a container, run hyphen it. Name of my container is suppose contain1 and image that I am using is image ID I can also give. Then bin bash. Okay. So you see the command is docker run hyphen it. There are many options available with docker run command. So in this case, we are using hyphen it option and we are also giving a shell here. So why this information is required? And in some command you will see the command will be like docker run hyphen d. So what is the difference between uh, hyphen d and when we need to explicitly specify the bash? Okay. So first we run this command bin bash. Okay. So it has created a container. I am inside the container. If I run pups minus ox command, so there is only one bin bash process is running. Okay, let me open this terminal as well. So in container, only one bin bash process is running. Or I can check from here also from master by using docker top command. Docker top, what happened? No such container. Okay, what was the name of our container? Cont1. Okay, cont1. So only one process is running bin bash. So it means I have to run it into interactive mode and there was no daemon available in the image. Okay, I am repeating again. In CentOS, the CentOS image which we used to create the our container was very basic image, raw image we can say. So it was not having any daemon process running. So we need to specify something to keep the container alive. So we specified here bin bash. A shell process should run whenever I log in into container. Container is a process. So if a process is not doing anything, it will die. So for the container which has been launched by using a very base image, we need to specify the bin bash shell. Okay, now I am inside the container. If I will do exit, see what will happen. Now you run docker ps minus a command. See, exited means docker killed. There is no docker now. So why docker is killed? See, error no response. Actually, there was only a single command that was running bin bash process. And suppose you are in a shell, and if you give exit command, the shell will exit and the process will be killed. Similarly, this docker that you launched by using it command and provide a bin bash shell was running only a single process bin bash. There was no daemon process as it used to happen in MySQL or some other service container. So for our container that that or launched using a very basic image are called base container. So how I should come out of this container? Okay, let me do one thing. Let me again launch a container. Okay. Now container name I need to specify something different because container 1 is already there. Container 2, it's very slow. Okay, bin bash. Now you are inside the container. If I will do container 2, now suppose if I need to come out of this container, what I can do? So there is a shortcut, control plus P plus Q command. So if you will come out of the container by using this command, then container will not die. Okay, let me do it. If I do exit here, then container will die because my bash shell, this process will die. I will do control P Q. So now I'm out of my container, and if I check, my container is up, it's running. Okay, bin bash process is still running inside. Okay, and if I want to go into my container again, I can run docker hyphen exe hyphen it. This command is common for daemon node row container. Then the container name is container2. Then I specified one more bin bash. Now see what happened. One second. Ex hyphen. Okay. Container2. I want to log in inside my container. What error is coming? Something is wrong with command. One second. Let me check. What is wrong this command? Docker. Okay. This should not come here. Hyphen should not come. So now I'm inside my container. If I will see, two processes of bash will be running here. One is this, and one which was left by us by using control PQ. You can check from here also. So I hope this is clear to you. So for a container which is launched using a base image that doesn't have a daemon or service running on it, then you always use docker run hyphen it command. Okay. So such type of container we call base container or row container. Okay. This is clear. Row container. Now we will launch a container called service container, and in this such type of container there must be a daemon that is running at the backend. So no need to specify any bash shell when you launch that. So we launch a MySQL container, that is our service container. Let me check what image we have available with us. One second. Okay, I am inside container. One second. Exit. Now it will not die. Why? Because one process is running inside it. Okay. Okay. And one more thing I want to explain you. Suppose if I use docker attach cont container to command. So by using docker attach command, I can also go inside such type of container, base container. Okay, I am coming out of this. Now our topic is service container. What is service container and how these are different from base container? So service container will be having a daemon that will keep them alive. Some process will be there. So in case of MySQL uh, container, MySQL daemon will be there that will keep the our container alive. So we don't need to specify any bin bash process. What images we have available with us? Docker images. We have MySQL here. So let me launch a container. So we are launching MySQL container, service container, Docker exec. Okay, Docker run command, sorry. Docker run hyphen D for daemon, or that can be the we can say detach mode. The container that can be run in detach mode because they have their own daemon available with them. Hyphen hyphen name MySQL container, and I am using a image MySQL colon latest, and I need to specify here uh, the root password also minus e by using minus e, that you already know. You can watch my video because there are some container that take some specific parameter. Like in case of MySQL container, I need root password. Otherwise, I will not be logged into my container. So I can use this command. Minus D means detach mode. I can run it in detach mode because my MySQL container is a service container and it will have a MySQL daemon process running inside my container that will keep it alive. So I can use minus D command. Okay. Now, if I want to check Docker, what process is running inside my container, Docker top MySQL. So now see, MySQL daemon is running. So no need to attach a bin bash terminal to it. We can run it by minus D command. And the process is same. Suppose I wanna go inside this container, then you have docker exec hyphen it command, container name slash bin bash. So you are now inside container. Now there will be two processes, bin bash and MySQL daemon. Okay. And if I will come by exit command, then there will not be any impact because MySQL daemon will keep on running. So this was all about base container and service container. Okay, so let me revise again. Base container are those container which are launched using a very basic image and they don't have any particular daemon that will keep them alive. Because to keep a container or a process we can say alive, we should need to it engage somewhere. It should execute somewhere. If a process is not doing anything, it will die. We can also run the sleep command. Something must be running in a process to keep it alive. Same with the container because container is a process. So something should be running. And when you launch a base container with a very minimal image of CentOS, suppose, then it doesn't have any daemon running into it. So you use the docker run hyphen it command and you specify your bin bash also in this command. And you cannot come out by exit command because if you exit by using this command, then your bash will be killed, bin bash, and your container will die. So you use control plus P plus Q. Okay, next comes service container. Service container are those container that we can run in detach mode, docker run minus D, because they have already a daemon running in them that keep them alive. And if you want to connect to a already running container, command is same, docker exec hyphen it. So I hope things are clear to you now when you need to use the minus D option and when you need to use the hyphen it option with the docker run command. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Take care. Stay safe.